Chelsea Melanie, majoring in accounting study program class 3D. Here, I will present a final assignment proposal entitled The Influence of Motivation, Work Discipline, and Work Communication on Employee Performance at Tomorrow Coffee Semarang City. Background: human resources are the main elementary in every organization, which influence the course of activities and development of the organization. The success or failure of an organization depends greatly on the quality of its human resource. Therefore, employees in an organization are an important factor in achieving organizational goals and success. Basically, human resources are an important asset in an organization or company because humans act as driver and determinant of the direction of progress. Considering the important role of employees, leaders need to pay more attention to ensuring the success of the organization. Competent and skilled employees are certainly needed, but what is more important is their work enthusiasm to achieve optimal results. The main factor that determines the success of an organization is the presence of employees who have the ability, skill, and high work motivation so that they can produce such satisfactory performance. High discipline, such as time discipline and established regulation, play an important role in creating efficiency and effectiveness in work. Clear regulations are needed to guide employees in carrying out their duties which will increase their morale and performance. The success of an organization really depends on employee performance and will be achieved if employees have good enthusiasm and discipline. Formulation of the problem: A. Does work motivation influence the performance of Tomorrow Coffee employees in Semarang City? B. Does work discipline affect the performance of Tomorrow Coffee employees in Semarang City? C. Does work communication influence the performance of Tomorrow Coffee employees in Semarang City? D. Do work motivation, work discipline, and work communication influence the performance of Tomorrow Coffee employees in Semarang City? Research purpose: A. To determine the influence of work motivation on the performance of Tomorrow Coffee employees in Semarang City. B. To determine the influence of work discipline on the performance of Tomorrow Coffee employees in Semarang City. C. To determine the effect of work communication on the performance of Tomorrow Coffee employees in Semarang City. D. To determine the influence of work motivation, work discipline, and work communication on the performance of Tomorrow Coffee employees in Semarang City. Benefit of race: A. Benefit of race for company or Tomorrow Coffee: 1. Improve employee performance. 2. Increase employee satisfaction and loyalty. 3. Improvement in human resource management. B. Benefit or risks for employee: 1. Increasing of healthy work environment. 2. Increase job satisfaction. 3. Career involvement and personal development. C. Benefit of risk for student: 1. Application of theory to practice. 2. Increasing research capabilities. And 3. Development of analytical and problem-solving abilities. Systematic for writing a final project report chapter. 1 is the introduction. This chapter explains the background, problem formulation, objection, benefit, and systematic of writing. Chapter 2, namely a literary review, outlines theoretical and concept relevant to research, such as human resource management, work motivation, work discipline, work communication, employee performance, and framework of thought. Chapter 3 is Research Method. The Research Method chapter expands the scope of the research type and resource of data needed. Data collect technique, data analysis technique, and the research model that will be used in preparing this research. Chapter 4 Result and Discussion. Discussion chapter describes the result of data processing include a description of the characteristic of respondent and the result of statistical tests regarding in the influence of motivation, work discipline, and work communication on the performance of Tomorrow Coffee Sembarang City employee. The last chapter is the conclusion. The closing chapter concludes the overall result, highlighting the influence of motivation, work discipline, and work communication on employee performance at Tomorrow Coffee. Literature review consists of explanation about human resource management, work motivation, work discipline, work communication, employee performance, and framework of thinking. A. Human resource management. Human resource management is planning, organizing, implementing, coordinating, and supervising the procurement, development, provision of service, integration, maintenance, and severity of workforce in order to achieve organizational goals. Work motivation. Work motivation is a condition that has the effect of generating, directing, and maintaining behavior related to the work environment. C. Work discipline. Work discipline is a function of human resource management that is concurrent and the key to realizing goals because without good discipline, it is difficult to achieve maximum goal. Type of training. The type of research used to quantitative research. Quantitative research method according to Sugiono, namely a research method based on the philosophy of positive use and researching samples and the research population. Sampling techniques are generally carried out randomly or random sampling, where data collection is carried out by using research instruments that are used. The data analysis used in quantitative can be measured with the aim of testing previously established hypotheses. Population and sample. Population is a generalization area consisting of objects or subjects that have certain quality and characteristics which are applied by research to study and draw conclusion. The sample is a part of the number and characteristic of the population. Sample can also be interpreted as part of the population that is the object of research. Method of collecting data. The following are several examples of the data collection method that can be used to prepare a final assignment. A. Observation. Observation is a data collected method wherein the researchers make direct observation of the object under study. B. Questionnaire. A questionnaire is a data collection method by giving respondents a series of written questions to answer. C. Literary review. Literary study is a data collection method carried out to the research being carried out. Data analysis method. 1. Multiple regression test. Regression aims to test the relation between the influence of one variable and another variable. 2. Test validity. The validity test is used to measure whether a questionnaire is valid or not. 3. Reliable test. Reliable test is used to measure a questionnaire which is an indicator of a variable. for coefficient of determination. The coefficient of determination is used to determine the connection percentage of the influence of independent variable simultaneously on the dependent variable. And last, hypothesis testing. Hypothesis testing is carried out to test the truth of hypotheses that have been prepared based on research data. Thank you. Terima kasih.